Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you are fine. I am also fine. In this video I'm gonna show different beautiful and amazing paper decoration ideas, paper art for frame, for kids, for animal and etc. You guys know we can share different paper decoration ideas. It is very unique and amazing. It's very beautiful art. You can make easily at home for different paper frame, paper decoration, wall decoration ideas and etc. So please do not forget my YouTube channel and like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.